The swimming uses most of the muscle groups and is a demanding physical exercise that helps keep the heart and lungs healthy. And the swimming also keeps joints flexible, especially the neck, shoulders, and pelvis.
The exercises that I do are made at home with material created by myself. This exercise help use with many things. For example, joint flexibility. Strength training helps maintain joint flexibility and can reduce the symptoms of arthritis. Weight control, as you gain muscle, your body begins to burn calories more easy, making it easier to control your weight. Thank you.
Aerobic exercise reduces subcutaneous fat lockage between the muscles, which is used as fuel for the main sources of energy. Lose weight by reducing body fat, which is used as the main source of energy. Improves the cardiovascular function and lung capacity. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mateo Tenemasa, and I think that this type of sporting activity is important because it helps us to overcome fears and to improve ourselves.